Good evening, Rhondda. Writer and performance poet Mike Church has given me permission to read one of his poems. It's very cleverly made up of 40 titles of songs. Might be good fun if you can name all the artists. Top 40 thoughts on life. One day I'll fly away, somewhere over the rainbow, a stairway to heaven, tangled up in blue. What a wonderful world. Is there life on Mars? Imagine, a design for life. I'm a believer, I just don't know what to do with myself. Please, please, please let me get what I want. Satisfaction in my life. I heard you through the grapevine. Love will tear us apart, Jolene. I've got you under my skin, the needle and the damage done. Comfortably numb, let it be. Everybody knows I will survive the circle of life, losing my religion, sympathy for the devil, crazy, paranoid. I still haven't found what I'm looking for. Fields of gold, heart of gold, something. Everybody hurts. Every breath you take, every time we say goodbye, in the wee small hours of the morning. We'll meet again. Teach your children, all you need is love. Never mind the bollocks, let's face the music and dance. Thank you for listening. Stay safe.